playing dump truck driver now the rest of the well, I can say the rest of the afternoon, just probably just one load. We used up all the dirt that I brought on one side where the homeowner wants a little bit more, where he's adding on around the chimney. So yeah, let's jump in the truck, take this across town, hopefully beat the rain, and we'll call it a day. And for the last quick project today, I need to come and shave, I guess, this bank off. And I'm gonna double check a little bit of that. They're gonna put a basement house here, but I guess it got dug out right to the marks that they had dug out and didn't get over dug, so there's no room for the clean rock and the positive drain and everything around here. So I just got this call about, I don't know, an hour ago. And the dozer guy that did dig it out is actually the one that I helped in my up at my Springfield job, and he's got his equipment up there now digging that property out, and won't be back until the end of the week. And they are ready to get going on this, so we're just gonna chisel away with the excavator, which that may have been the easiest thing anyway. I don't know, my loader would have probably dug this out, but it would have just taken a little while. So yeah, got about 45 minutes of sunlight left. We'll see what we can get done.